Have you ever dreamed of investing in some of the biggest companies in the world like Apple, Amazon, or Nike without leaving your home country? Sounds exciting, right? But before you jump in, here's the $1 million question. Are US mutual funds a golden opportunity or just overhyped? Let's find out. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we decode financial strategies to help you make smarter money decisions. Today, we are diving into US mutual funds, what they are, why they are gaining traction, and whether they are worth your time and money. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to approach this investment option, so stick around. First thing first, what makes US mutual funds so attractive? Imagine owning a slice of the world's leading company and accessing one of the world's most stable economies. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it? These funds offer number one, global diversification. Think of it as spreading your eggs across multiple baskets like different countries, industries, and economic cycles. Number two, professional management. Experts with years of experience manage these funds, so you don't have to. How's that for peace of mind? Number three, potential for higher returns. By tapping into global economic growth, your portfolio could benefit significantly. But let's not forget, every rose has its thorns. So, what's the catch? Number one, currency fluctuations. Ever thought about how the dollar rupee exchange rate could eat into your returns? Number two, geopolitical uncertainties. From trade wars to political instability, international markets come with their own set of challenges. Number three, market volatility. While the US market may seem stable, it's not immune to ups and downs. These risks make one thing clear. Investing in US mutual funds isn't a one size fits all solution. So, should you invest? Ask yourself, do I have long term financial goals like retirement or education? Can I handle market fluctuations without losing sleep? Am I okay with allocating 10 to 15% of my portfolio to international funds? If the answer is yes, then US mutual funds might just be a ticket to global investing. But remember, it's about strategy, not impulse. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is this the right time to invest? With Indian markets facing challenges and the US showing resilience, diversification has never been more important. But don't chase trends. Focus on your goals and think long term. Ready to take the leap but unsure where to start? Don't worry, we have got you covered. Hit the link in the description below to schedule your free initial consultation with us. So let's craft a global investment strategy tailored just for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more actionable financial insights. Until next time, invest smart and stay ahead. Thank you for watching.
Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.